I've been here for 9 years, going on 10. I am a production coordinator. Well, when I did start here, I started from, entry-level position. And over the 9-10 years I've been here, I've been able to move up and get to the spot where I'm at. The environment's great, the people are great, and the people here, I believe, make the organization. So again, I feel like my position is I'm using my strengths, which is, being good with people and being able to lead a group of guys and women. Just seeing a finished product go out the door to a customer is really satisfying, and it's nice to see it from the start to the end. We are very proud of our clean, organized shop. It has led us to 5.5, almost 6 years of no safety incidences on the floor, which is unheard of really in most manufacturing companies. We have some pretty good size power units and lubes. There are some really cool cabs out there that we get to sit in and look at, but just everything we do here is pretty special and unique, and I'm proud to be part of it. Management is great, very personable. Just all the management is really on our side, and I believe we have the same goal in mind, and it's very helpful to have a hands-on management, and they know that we're in this together. So it is just a great atmosphere, and we have really good people that want you to do well. We want to succeed together. Again, I'm a prime example of starting here and working my way up, and I was put in a position to show my strengths, and that wouldn't have happened if I would have never came here. So come to GS.